Students, today I am going to teach you the examples of practice set 2.3. Solve the following quadratic equation by completing square method. How to solve the examples quadratic equation by completing square method? For that, firstly, we have to write the given quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then say the coefficient of square term. If it is 1, then solve directly. If it is not 1, if the coefficient of square term is not 1, then firstly to make it 1 by dividing the same coefficient of the square term, and then considering the two terms of the LHS of the equation, find the third suitable square term to make the polynomial as a perfect square. Then after finding the perfect square, third term, square term, add the square term and subtract the square term at the same time in the equation, and write the square of the first three terms and the last two terms, which is in the form of a square minus b square, and then solve it by formula of a square minus b square. Now first example is given, x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of standard form of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and coefficient of square term is 1. Therefore now I comparing the first two terms of LHS, x square plus x, with the terms x square plus 2xy. Then compare the second term of both. 2xy is equal to x. X gets cancelled. Now find the value of y. 2y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 half. Multiplied 2 gets converted to division, and therefore y square is equal to 1 upon 4. Now add and subtract 1 upon 4. Then we get x square plus x to the equation or in equation. X square plus x. Now add 1 plus 1 upon 4 and subtract 1 upon 4. Last constant term as it is 20. Now group of first three terms, x square plus 1 upon x, 1 upon 4, minus gets common, 1 upon 4 plus 20. Now x square plus x plus 1 upon 4 minus, solve this, 1 upon 4 plus 20 by taking cross multiplication. 1 1 are 1 plus 4 2 are 20, 4 are 80. 1 plus 80 upon 4 is equal to 0. Now x square plus x plus 1 upon 4 minus 81 upon 4. Now write the in the form of a square minus b square. First bracket, find whose expansion is this. For that, write the square root of the first term, square root of square term x square is x, sine of the middle term, square root of the last term, that is 1 upon 4, square root of 1 upon 4 is 1 half, bracket square, that is x square plus x plus 1 upon 4 is the expansion of x plus 1 upon 2, bracket square. Now 81 upon 4 is the square of 9 upon 2. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. Now instead of a, write x plus 1 half, my plus b, that is 9 upon 2. Instead of x, a x plus 1 half minus b, instead of b we write 9 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now x plus, now LCM, that is the denominator of both the terms are same, therefore I write at time one time, 9 plus 1 10. Here x plus, again denominator is same, 1 minus 9, that is minus 8 is equal to 0. X plus 10 upon 2, that is 5, and plus minus minus 8 upon 2, that is 4 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 5 gets converted to minus, minus 4 gets converted to plus, and therefore solution is minus 5 and 4. Again we see this example. Comparing, firstly write the say whether the given quadratic equation is in the standard form or not. If it is not in standard form, firstly write in standard form. Then see the coefficient of square term. If it is 1, then solve. And if it is not 1, it is greater than 1, then to make it 1 by dividing the same coefficient of square term. Now here coefficient of square term is 1, therefore I directly take it. Comparing first two term of the LHS x square plus x with the term x square plus 2xy to find the third term. Now compare the second term of that equation. 2xy is equal to x, x gets cancelled, 2y is equal to 1. To find the value of third term, that is y, multiplied 2 gets converted to division, y is equal to 1 half. On squaring, y square is equal to 1 upon 4. Add and subtract this 1 upon 4 in this equation. X square plus x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 minus 20 is equal to 0. Take the group of first three terms. From last two terms, minus gets common, 1 plus 4 plus 20. X square plus x plus 1 upon 4 minus solve this. Taking cross product, 1 1 is 1 plus 24 is 80, 80 upon 4. 80 plus 1, 81 upon 4. Now it is the expansion of x plus 1 of bracket square. How we find it? We write directly the square root of first term, sine of the middle term, and square root of the third term. That means we get x plus 1 half bracket square. Minus 81 upon 4 is the square of 9 upon 2 bracket square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. Therefore, we write instead of a as x plus 1 half and instead of b we write 9 upon 2. X plus 1 half plus 9 upon 2. X plus 1 half minus 9 upon 2. Now x plus addition of this 9 plus 1 10, 10 upon 2. X plus 1 minus 9 that is minus 8 upon 2. X plus 10 upon 2 means 5 minus 8 upon 2 that is 4. Now x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 5 gets minus, minus 4 gets plus, which is the solution of the equation. Second example is x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. It is in the standard form. Again, coefficient of square term is 1. Therefore, we directly compare the first two terms of the LHS, that is x square plus 2x with the terms x square plus 2xy. From this, we compare only second terms of both. 2xy is equal to 2x. Again 2x gets cancelled, remaining is 1. Therefore y square is equal to 1. Now add and subtract 1 to the equation. We get x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now see the first three terms. X square plus 2x plus 1, group it, minus 1 minus 5 that is minus 6. Now it is the square of the bracket. Firstly write the square root of the first term, that is x, sine of the middle term, that is plus, square root of the third term, that is 1 bracket square. 6 is the square of root of 6, therefore root of 6 bracket square. Now write this is in the form of a square minus b square. Therefore, write in the form of a plus b into bracket a minus b. Instead of a, write x plus 1 plus b, that is root of 6. Now into bracket a, that is x plus 1 minus b, that is minus root of 6 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 plus root of 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 minus root of 6 is equal to 0. Now this plus gets converted to minus, plus gets converted to minus. Again, here plus gets converted to minus and minus gets converted to plus, and therefore solution of the equation is minus 1 minus root of 6 minus 1 plus root of 6. See, the given equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient of square term is 1. Therefore, I directly compare the first two terms of the LHS with the x square plus 2xy. Again, compare the second term of both. 2xy is equal to 2x. We get it. 2x gets cancelled. Remaining is y is equal to 1. On squaring, y square is equal to 1. Now, this is the third term. Now, add and subtract this third term in this equation. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1, and then last given minus 5 term. first group of first three terms in write in bracket -1 -5 -6. Now write the bracket whose expansion is this x square plus 2x plus 1 is the expansion of the bracket x plus 1 bracket square. How we find? Firstly write the square root of the first term, that is x, sine of the middle term, that is plus, square root of the third term, that is 1, and bracket square. Now minus 6. 6 is the square of root of 6 bracket square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. Therefore instead of a plus b, instead of a write x plus 1, and instead of b write root of 6. That is a plus b means x plus 1 plus root of 6. A minus b means x plus 1 minus root of 6. Now x plus 1 plus root of 6 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 minus root of 6 is equal to 0. These both plus gets converted to minus, that is x is equal to minus 1 minus root of 6. Is to find x, plus 1 gets converted to minus root of 6 gets converted to plus. Now solution is minus 1 minus root of 6 and minus 1 plus root of 6. Third example is m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. Firstly write in standard form. For that minus 3 gets converted to plus. M square minus 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form of the quadratic equation. Coefficient of square term is again 1. Therefore directly we compare the first two terms of the LHS, that is m square minus 5m with now m square minus 2mn. Why I take 2mn? Now because the next alphabet of this m is n, therefore I write n. If here you have to given x, then we take xy. If you have to given p, then take pq. And now here you have to given m, therefore I write here mn. And here second term is minus, therefore here I write minus. M square minus 5m, compare this m square minus 5m with m square minus 2mn. Now second term of both minus 2mn is equal to 5 minus 5m. This minus minus gets plus, m gets cancelled, 2n is equal to 5. To find the value of n, multiply this 2 gets converted to division. Now on squaring of this, 5 upon 2, square of this 5 upon 2 is 25 upon 4. Now add and subtract 25 upon 4 to the equation. Now m square minus 5m, add 25 upon 4, at the same time subtract it, and third term is plus 3 is equal to 0. Now group of first three terms, 5m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4. Now write in standard write with plus sign plus 3. I adjust it, plus 3 minus 25 upon 4. Now it is the square of the bracket. For that write the square root of first term, sine of the middle term minus square root of the third term, that is 5 upon 2 bracket square root of 25 upon 4, 5 upon 2 minus plus. For this firstly solve this bracket, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 25 upon 4, m minus 5 upon 2 bracket square, and here 12 minus 25, that is minus 13 upon 4 bracket square, m minus 5 upon 2 bracket square. Now 13 upon 4 is the square of root of 13 upon 2. It is not perfect square, 13 is not a perfect square, therefore I write root of 13, square root of 4 is 2 bracket square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, therefore write in the form a plus b, a minus b. Instead of a, I write a minus 5 upon 2, and instead of b, I write root of 13 upon 2. Then we get m minus 5 upon 2 plus b, that is root of 13 upon 2. In second bracket, m minus 5 upon 2 minus root of 13 upon 2 bracket is equal to 0. Now m minus 5 upon 2 plus root of 13 upon 2 is equal to 0, or m minus 5 upon 2 minus root of 13 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now minus gets converted to plus and plus gets converted to minus. Here both minus term gets converted to plus. Now both having the same denominator, therefore I write at one time, and subtraction of numerator 5 minus root of 13, and here again denominator is same, addition of numerator 5 plus root of 13. Therefore solution is 5 minus root of 13 upon 2, 5 plus root of 13 upon 2. Now here firstly we write the standard in standard form. Minus 3 gets plus m square minus 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Coefficient of square term is 1. Therefore directly compare the first two terms of the LHS with the term m square minus 2mn. In first two terms we write here x square plus 2xy, because in that example variable is x. Therefore we write xy. Here variable is m, therefore I write mn. In that two examples middle term is positive, therefore here we take plus. Here now minus, therefore I write minus. Now second term of the bracket, both the terms minus 2mn is equal to minus 5m. mm gets cancelled, minus minus plus 2n is equal to 5. To find the value of n, multiply 2 gets converted to division, 5 upon 2, n square. On squaring, n square 25 is equal to 25 upon 4. Add and subtract this 25 upon 4 to the given quadratic equation, m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4 minus 25 upon 4 plus 3 is equal to 0. Group of first three terms write in bracket. Now I adjust it, plus 3 minus 25 upon 4. Now this first three terms is the expansion of the bracket, m minus 5 upon 2. Therefore I write m minus 5 upon 2 bracket square. How I find it? For I write directly the square root of first term, sine of the middle term, and square root of the third term. That is square root of 25 upon 4 is 5 upon 2. Plus cross product for making the same denominator. 4 is the 12 minus 25 upon 4. 12 minus 25 minus 13 upon 4. It is the square of root of 13 upon 2 bracket square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. Therefore I write a plus b a minus b. Instead of a, I write m minus 5 upon 2 plus b, that is root of 13 upon 2. A, that is m minus 5 upon 2 minus b, that is root of 13 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now m minus 5 upon 2 plus root of 13 upon 2 is equal to 0, or m minus 5 upon 2 minus root of 13 upon 2 is equal to 0. This minus gets plus, plus gets minus. Both minus gets plus. Now denominator is same, therefore we write the subtraction of the numerator 5 minus root of 13 upon 2, and here addition of the numerator 5 plus root of 13 upon 2, and that are the solution of the given quadratic equation. Fourth example is 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. It is in the standard form of quadratic equation, but here now coefficient of square term is greater than 1. First we make it 1. For making it 1, divide the same coefficient of square term to each term of the equation. Here 9 is given, therefore divide by 9 to both sides. We get 9 gets cancelled, y square minus 12 upon 9y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Now both are multiple of 3, therefore divided 3 4s are 3 3s are. Therefore y square is equal to 4 upon 3y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Now find the third term. For that we compare the first two terms of the LHS. That is y square minus 4 upon 3y 2. Now y square minus 2yz. I take z because the next alphabet of y is z. Here minus is given, therefore I write here minus. Now second term of the term, both the terms, 2yz is equal to 4 upon 3y. Minus minus gets plus. Now y gets cancelled. 2z is equal to 4 upon 3. To find the value of z, multiply this 2 gets converted to division. Instead of division, take the multiplication and reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. Divide by 2, that is 4. Divide by 2, that is 2. Z is equal to 2 upon 3, and therefore on squaring we get z square is equal to 4 upon 9. Now add and subtract 4 upon 9 to the equation. Here the equation is, after dividing the 9 we get y square minus 4 upon 3y plus add and subtract 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9, and third term is plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Now group of first three terms, y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9. I write it as 4 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9 is equal to 0. Now it is the expansion of the bracket. For finding the bracket, I write the square root of first term, that is y, sine of the middle term, that is minus, square root of the last term, that is square root of 4 upon 9 is 2 upon 3 bracket square. Now subtraction of both, LCM is denominator is same 9, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 is equal to 0. Now y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square, write the square root of this, root of 2 upon 3 bracket square. 2 is not a perfect square, therefore it is the square of root of 2. Square root of 9 is 3 bracket square is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, therefore write in the form of a plus b minus b. Instead of this a, I write y minus 2 upon 3 plus b, that is root of 2 upon 3. Again a, that is y minus 2 upon 3 minus b, that is minus root of 2 upon 3. Now y minus 2 upon 3 plus root of 2 upon 3 is equal to 0, or y minus 2 upon 3 minus root of 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. Now to find the value of y, minus 2 upon 3 gets plus, plus root of 2 upon 3 gets converted to minus. For finding here y, value of y, minus 2 upon 3 gets plus, minus root of 2 upon 3 gets plus. Now denominator is same, therefore write at once type, we get 2 minus root of 2, here 2 plus root of 2 upon 3, and therefore solution is 2 minus root of 2 upon 3, 2 plus root of 2 upon 3, and that is the solution. How we solve this? We firstly see the given quadratic equation, whether it is in the form of quadratic equation or not. It is given. Now we see the coefficient of square term which is greater than 1. Therefore, to solve this equation by completing square method, first we make the square coefficient of square term as 1. For that, we divide by same given coefficient of square term to each term. Therefore, here 9 is given, divide by 9 to both sides. We get 9 gets cancelled, remaining y square minus 12 upon 9y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. This 12 upon 9 are the multiple of 3, therefore divide by 3, we get 4 upon 3. Therefore y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Now to find the third term, compare the first two term of the LHS with the term y square minus 2yz. Second term 2yz is equal to 4 upon 3y. Y gets cancelled, 2z is equal to 4 upon 3. Find third term, that is z. For that, multiply 2 gets converted to division. Instead of division, take the multiplication and reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. Divide this 4 by this 2, 2 upon 3. On squaring of z, z square. On squaring of 2 upon 3, 4 upon 9. Now add and subtract 4 upon 9 to each term to the given quadratic equation after dividing the coefficient. Y square minus 4 upon 3y. Now plus 4 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9 plus this third term 9 upon 2. Sorry, 2 upon 9. Now group of first three terms we write in third in the bracket. I adjust this 2 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9. Now it is the expansion of the bracket y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square. How we find it? Write square root of first term, sine of the middle term, square root of the third term, 2 upon 3 bracket square. Solve this, we get minus 2 upon 9. This 2 upon 9 is the square of root of 2 upon 3 bracket square. Now this equation is in the form of a square minus b square. We write now the factors in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Instead of a, write y minus 2 upon 3 plus b. That instead of b, write root of 2 upon 3. A, that is y minus 2 upon 3 minus b, that is root of 2 upon 3. Now y minus 2 upon 3 plus root of 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 upon 3 minus root of 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. minus gets plus, plus gets minus, both minus gets plus. Denominator is same, therefore we write 2 minus root of 2 upon 3. Here 2 plus root of 2 upon 3, and therefore solution is 2 minus root of 2 upon 3 and 2 plus root of 2 upon 3. Next example is 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now again it is in the form of quadratic equation, but the coefficient of square term is greater than 1. To make it, divide by the same coefficient. Here coefficient is 2, therefore divide by 2 to both the sides. We get 2 gets cancelled, plus 9 upon 2y, 10 divided by 2, that is 5 is equal to 0. Now to find the third term, compare the first two terms of LHS, that is y square plus 9 upon 2y with y square plus 2yz. Here I write plus because middle term is plus, and z because next alphabet is z of the y. Now compare last two terms. 2yz is equal to 9 upon 2y. Y gets cancelled. To find the value of z multiplied this 2z is equal to 9 upon 2. To find the value of z multiplied 2 gets converted to division. Again instead of division, take the multiplication of 2, that is 1 half. Now z means 9 ones are 9, 2 twos are 4. Now square of this, square of z is z square. Square of 9 upon 4 is 81 upon 16. Now add and subtract this third term 81 upon 16 to the equation. In which equation? The equation we get after dividing the coefficient, that is y square plus 9 upon 2y plus add third term 81 upon 16, again subtract 81 upon 16 plus third term is 5. Now write the first three terms in the bracket, y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16. I adjust it, plus 5 minus 81 upon 16 is equal to 0. Y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16. Now solve this. Taking cross multiplication, 15 5 16 or 16 fifths are 80 minus 81 upon 16. Now y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16. Now subtraction of this is minus 1 upon 16. Now write in the form of a square minus b square. Now coefficient, square root of this y square is y, sign of the middle term is plus, square root of the third term, square root of 81 upon 16, that is 9 upon 4, bracket square, minus 1 upon 16 is the square of 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Now write that it is in the, this is in the form of a square minus b square, therefore we factorize as a plus b, a minus b. Instead of this a, I write y plus 9 upon 4 plus b, that is 1 upon 4. Now y plus 9 upon 4 minus b, that is 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Now y plus, denominator is same, 9 plus 1 10. Y plus 9 minus 1 8 upon 4 is equal to 0. It is multiple of 2, therefore y plus 5 upon 2 divided by 2. Y plus 8 upon 4, that is 2 is equal to 0. Therefore y plus 5 upon 2 0 or y plus 2 is equal to 0. This plus gets converted to minus, minus 2 plus 2 gets converted to minus, and solution is minus 5 upon 2 and minus 2. 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is given. Firstly, make the coefficient of square term as 1, therefore divide by 2, we get y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Compare the first two terms of the LHS with y square plus 2yz, that is 2yz is equal to 9 upon 2y, y gets cancelled, 2z is equal to 9 upon 2. To find the value of z, multiply 2 gets converted to division. Instead of division, take the multiplication and reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 half. 9 ones are 9 upon 2, 2s are 4. Square of this 81 upon 16. Now add and subtract this 18 81 upon 16 in the equation which is formed after dividing the coefficient, that is y square plus 9 upon 2y. Now add and subtract 81 upon 16. 81 upon 16 minus 81 upon 16 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now make the group of first three term and write in the bracket. Adjust the second last two terms. 5 minus 81 upon 16. Taking cross multiplication, 16 fifths are 80 minus 81 upon 16. Subtraction of 18 minus 81 is minus 1 upon 16. Now it is the expansion of the bracket y plus 9 upon 4 bracket square. How I find? I write only the square root of first term, sine of the middle term and square root of last term. 9 upon 4 minus 1 upon 16, square root of this is 1 upon 4 bracket square. Then write in the form of a plus b, a minus b. A that is y plus 9 upon 4 plus b that is 1 upon 4. A that is y plus 9 upon 4 minus b that is 1 upon 4. Y plus addition of this 9 plus 1 10 upon 4. And here y plus 9 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 that is 8 upon 4. These are multiple of 2, therefore divided by 2 we get 5 upon 2, 8 upon 4 means 2, plus gets converted to minus, plus 2 gets converted to minus, therefore solution is minus 5 upon 2 and minus 2. Next example is 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. Firstly write in standard form. For that this plus 2 term gets converted to minus 5x square is equal to minus 4x minus 7. Here coefficient of square term is greater than 1, therefore divide by the same coefficient 5 to both the sides. We get 5 gets cancelled, x square minus 4 upon 5x minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 0. Now to find the third term, comparing the first two terms of the LHS, x square minus 4 upon 5x with the terms with x square plus 2xy, then we get 2xy, here minus, because minus is given, 2xy is equal to 4 upon 5x, xx gets cancelled, y, 2y is equal to 4 upon 5. To find the value of 2, multiplied with this 2 again gets converted to division. Again instead of division we take multiplication and reciprocal of these 2, that is 1/2. Now divide this 4 by 2, we get 2. 2 upon 5. On squaring, y square is equal to 4 upon 25. Now add and subtract 4 upon 25 to both sides to the equation. In which equation? The equation of formed after division of the coefficient, that is x square minus 4 upon 5x, add 4 upon 25, at the same time subtract it, and last term is minus 7 upon 5. Group of the first three terms, write in the bracket x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25. From both the terms minus gets common, 4 upon 25 plus 7 upon 5 is equal to 0. Now x square, I write directly the expansion of that, that is the square root of this x is x, sine of the middle term, square root of the third term, that is 2 upon 5 bracket square, minus. Now solve this. For that firstly we make the denominator as 25. LCM of 25 and 5 is 25. To make the 25 here multiplied by 5 again in denominator, therefore multiplied by 5 in numerator at the same time. Then we get 4 plus 7 fifths are 35 is equal to 0. X minus 2 upon 5 bracket square, here 39 upon 25 is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 upon 5 bracket square, here it is the square of root of 39 upon 5 bracket square is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, therefore factors of these are in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Instead of a, write x minus 2 upon 5 plus b, that is root of 39 upon 5, x minus 2 upon 5 minus b, that is root of 39 upon 5 is equal to 0. x minus 2 upon 5 plus root of 39 upon 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 upon 5 minus root of 39 upon 5 is equal to 0. This minus gets converted to plus and plus gets converted to minus. Here minus gets plus, minus gets plus. Now denominator is same, therefore write at one time and subtraction of numerator. Here 5 plus 2 root of 39, and therefore solution of the equation is 2 minus root of 39 upon 5 and 2 plus 39 upon 5. 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. Firstly, write in standard form. For that, we convert this 4x plus 7 as minus is equal to 0. To make the coefficient of square term, divide the same coefficient 5 to the both sides. We get x square minus 4 upon 5x minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 0. Now to find the value of third term, compare the first two terms of the equation x square minus 4 upon 5x with x square minus 2xy. Now here we get 2xy is equal to 4 upon 5x. X gets cancelled. 2y is equal to 4 upon 5. To find the value of y, multiply 2 gets converted to division. Instead of division, take the multiplication and reciprocal. 4 upon 5 into 1 half. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 upon 5. On squaring, we get y square is equal to 4 upon 25. Add and subtract 4 upon 25 to both to the equation. We get x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25 minus 4 upon 25 minus 7 upon 5. Write the first three terms in the bracket. Now adjust this last two terms. For that, minus gets common. We get 4 upon 25 plus 7 upon 5. Now here make the same denominator. For that, 7 upon 5 is multiplied and divided by 5 because 5 fifths are 25. Here we get 35 and 25. Now square root of this x square is x, sign of the middle term minus, square root of third term 4 upon 25 as 2 upon 5 bracket square, minus 4 plus 7 fifths are 35 upon 25. 35 plus 4, 39 upon 25. X minus 2 upon 5 bracket square minus square of this, it is the square of root of 39 upon 5 bracket square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is expansion of this is x a plus b, a minus b. Instead of a, write x minus 2 upon 5. Instead of b, write root of 39 upon 5. Again, instead of a, x minus 2 upon 5 minus, instead of b, root of 39 upon 5. Now x minus 2 upon 5 plus root of 39 upon 5 is equal to 0. For this, finding the value of x, minus gets converted to plus and plus gets converted to minus. Denominator is same, therefore write once time 2 minus root of 39 upon 5. Here, or x minus 2 upon 5 minus root of 39 upon 5 is equal to 0. Both minus gets converted to plus. Denominator is same, therefore we get 2 plus root of 39 upon 5, and therefore solution is 2 minus root of 39 upon 5 and 2 plus root of 39 upon 5. I think you better understand these two, all the examples. If you understand this, then like, share and subscribe my channel.